The 24th match of IPL 2025 will witness the Royal Challengers Bangalore taking on the Delhi Capitals at the M. Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bangalore on 10th April. RCB currently sit at the third place on the points table with 3 wins in 4 games and have shown their solid form this season. Both their batting and bowling departments have been stepped up, making them a well-rounded threat. On the flip side, Delhi Capitals remain only unbeaten side in the tournament so far, with 3 wins in as many matches. With every department firing collectively, the Capitals have established themselves as one of the most balanced teams in this season so far. Moving on to head-to-head record between Royal Challengers Bangalore and the Delhi Capitals. Royal Challengers Bangalore have had an upper hand in this encounter. Out of 31 meetings, RCB has won 20 times, while Delhi Capitals managed just 11 victories. Given RCB's form at home and their dominance in this rivalry, another close encounter is on the cards. Now the RCB versus Delhi Capitals weather and pitch report. Temperatures are expected to be around 28 degrees Celsius. Weather forecast is broken cloud. Pitch behavior is batting friendly with consistent bounce. Best suited to the pace bowlers, but batters will enjoy true bounce. Average first inning score here is around 202 runs. And teams chasing first have a neutral record, having 50% win rate. Now moving on to Royal Challengers Bangalore versus the Delhi Capitals predicted playing 11s. Firstly, the Royal Challengers Bangalore. Virat Kohli opening alongside Phil Salt, having Devdutt Patikal at number 3. Rajat Patidar, the captain, at number 4. Liam Livingstone at number 5. Jitesh Sharma at number 6. Tim David at number 7. Krunal Pandya at number 8. Bhuvneshwar Kumar at number 9. Josh Hazelwood at number 10, Yash Dayal at number 11, and Suyash Sharma can come in as the impact player. Moving on to the Delhi Capitals, Jake Fraser McGurk opening alongside Abhishek Porel, having KL Rahul, the wicket-keeper batsman, at number 3, Akshar Patel, the captain, at number 4, Tristan Stubbs at number 5, Samir Rizvi at number 6, Ashutosh Sharma at number 7, Vipraj Nigam at number 8, Mitchell Starc at number 9, Kuldeep Yadav at number 10, Mohit Sharma at number 11, and Mukesh Kumar can come in as the impact player. Now the hot picks of Royal Challengers Bangalore versus the Delhi Capitals match, Dream 11 predictions and the fantasy cricket tips. Firstly, the captaincy pick. Virat Kohli, the RCB superstar, is in sublime touch, coming off a commanding 67-run inning. Rajat Patidar, the RCB captain, has shown composure and form with a well-compiled 64 in the last game. Now the top picks. KL Rahul, the strong DC batsman, led from the front with a classy 77 in the last match. Mitchell Starc, the Aussie speedster, who continues to provide crucial breakthroughs for Delhi with a new ball. Moving on to the budget picks. Yash Dayal. His early spells have been impressive and can fetch key points if he picks early wickets. Vipraj Nigam, a useful all-rounder from Delhi Capitals who could be a surprise package in the fantasy leagues. Moving on to GC versus RCB, Dream 11 predicted team. Team 1, safe team for small leagues. Wicket-keepers are KL Rahul, Phil Salt. Batsmen are Virat Kohli, Rajat Patidar, and Tristan Stubbs. All-rounders are Akshar Patel, Krunal Pandya, and Liam Livingstone. And the bowlers are Mitchell Starc, Josh Hazelwood, and Kuldeep Yadav. This team will be led by seasoned Virat Kohli, having KL Rahul as the vice-captain. Now Dream 11 Team 2, risky team for the Grand Leagues. Wicket-keepers are KL Rahul, Phil Salt. Batsmen are Virat Kohli and Rajat Patidar. All-rounders are Akshar Patel, Krunal Pandya, Liam Livingstone, and Vipraj Nigam. And the bowlers are Mitchell Starc, Josh Hazelwood, and Kuldeep Yadav. This team will be led by Rajat Patidar, having Mitchell Starc, the OG bowler, as the vice-captain. Now the expert advice for this high-stakes match. Small league captaincy choice is Virat Kohli. Grand League captaincy choice is Rajat Patidar. Punt picks can be Vipraj Nigam and Tristan Stubbs. An ideal Dream 11 team combination for this match is 2 keepers, 3 batsmen, 3 all-rounders, and 3 bowlers. Now moving on to the final segment, RCB versus Delhi Capitals match winners prediction. Both the teams are in top form, but with the match being played at the Chinnaswamy Stadium and considering RCB's dominance in head-to-head stats, Royal Challengers Bangalore are slightly favoured to win this clash. Their experience score gives them the edge in what promises to be a thrilling contest. Stay tuned for more updates, match analysis, and Dream 11 predictions only on your favorite channel, Cricket Addictor.